A lot of the things that we're calling natural today is not natural. Divine order. If you left humans alone and didn't tell them what to do, what would they do? When you are purified, okay, meaning you are willing to touch the land of meaninglessness. This is super advanced. You're willing to touch the land of meaninglessness. Meaninglessness. And you're not thinking in a way of what you're supposed to do. Well, the Bible said this, and this is myth masculine. It sort of like you take any city in the world that's been built up and you leave it alone for 50